Hi everybody, it's Kathy from Huckleberry Herbs and Art, and I'm here to show you a close-up of the Heartfelt Creations Lush Lilac collection. You are going to love this. I'm so glad to be able to show it to you. This is more than spring. And lilacs are one of the first flowers to come out. These purples are gorgeous. They're exactly Huckleberry Herbs colors, right? So I'm in love with this collection. This is really great. So there's our cute little window. And a combination of the lilacs and the roses, little sprays, the bluebirds that we've seen in previous collections, butterflies, and other lovely little images. Just gorgeous. Look at the borders on this. These beautiful sprays right here with the lace, and then, oh, little hint here that that's coming too. Little tops of bird houses. These are beautiful. I really just love the colors in this. And I didn't even show you this little umbrella sitting here. We'll take a closer look at that in just a moment. I love every paper in this pad. So this one with all the tags and these cute little cutouts that you could use, or just really the paper is perfect just as it is to cover a box or to use in your cards with this little bit of vintage look and some of our new stamp sentiments. And this scroll, oh my gosh, I just really think this is going to be a very useful, very beautiful collection. I'm going to enjoy it, I know that much. And so here are some more of the smaller cards with the little watering can. There's the butterfly with the scroll. You could stamp something in that. There's the cottage from some of our previous collections. So these cards are ready to go, easy to use, and of course the sentiments that would be handy in many instances. If you don't have stamps, if you don't have time, you just put one of those on top of your cards and you're good to go. And these lovely scrolled letterings and beautiful sprays of lilacs throughout with these images. They're just gorgeous. I love the colors, the blues, the purples, the pinks, the lilacs. There's so many beautiful blends with the script running in between. And so many little cute images to cut out if that's the way you want to go, or perfect for a layout, a background, an altered project. And so here are 6 more of the smaller cards and some more sentiment borders down here that you can use as a border in a layout, or you can cut out and make your own little sentiment that fits on your card. Even the very thin edge here, hoping your day is perfect. Perfect for so many different projects. And look at that, isn't it beautiful? So a nice lilac version of the windows with now the lilacs added in, and that butterfly just pops off the page. And there's some more images down at the bottom with this lovely sort of Tuscan background. Wonderful. Can you imagine your picture of your trip put right there, or maybe a special day in the garden, or a shower that you had in the spring? Just beautiful. Look at the colors. I mean, who could turn away from these gorgeous colors, these lovely pinks and lilacs? I just really, really love this collection, and I'm so glad that they came out with this one. And there's lots of good things to say about it. Again, a little bit more of that vintage paper and office type papers. Now you know what this is. This is all ready to be cut out. So if you don't have time, you already have flowers set up that you can just use the dies with. And yes, there's a mold for these. Oh, if you haven't seen the molds, I'll leave the link below of the video I did with a tutorial on how to use them. They are great for flower making. And some more tags with the cute little tags that we're used to. I love this one here with the little window and the butterfly above. And then there's the scroll and the umbrella. And just gorgeous the way that they blended the greens into the blues, mixed in the lilacs, all the tones. Just so perfect and pastel-y, and yet they pop. Here's a nice layout with scroll work, script work, lots of different layers of the colors, pretty images in the corners. Just beautiful. I really, really like this collection a lot. I'd have to say this could easily turn into one of my favorite collections from Heartfelt, and that's saying a lot because some of you know Raindrops on Roses is my favorite still, even though it's not up and running at the moment. that was definitely my favorite. And so if this could jump in as my second favorite, oh my goodness. So there's that little cottage from some of the previous Woodsy Critters and Woodland and all those collections. The little bluebirds. Again, gorgeous the way they made the greens and the blues and the script and the lace. Can you see it? The ghost lace coming through. Just never anything flat from Heartfelt. Look at that. That's beautiful. I wish I could do walls in this. That would be great if I could have my whole craft room filled with these colors. That would be wonderful. So another gorgeous full page or card backing. Look at this. Isn't that just fantastic, the way that every single edge is just popping with color, and this cute little image of this sweet little guy heading over here to check out and smell the flowers coming out of the pretty little umbrella that's upturned. And then behind that you can see that there's ghost images of the flowers again, and then beautiful shades of green with more work and script work, and a little butterfly just for fun. So pretty. This is gorgeous. There's not a bad paper in the bunch here. I love how the butterflies are scattered throughout the lilacs. Isn't that just what we're waiting for in the spring? Is to see these pretty vivid lilac colors and butterflies buzzing around them. Okay, it's not buzzing unless it's a bee maybe, but flying around them all happy and released from their cocoon, doing butterfly things. Again, a beautiful page. I just love these colors. This is Heartfelt. Yay. Good job, Heartfelt. Here's the bird cages. We're going to take a look at those. Look at how those clusters just fill up that corner. And then the birds mixed in. Over here, some ghost images. And script with lines. So you get your document paper and your lines and some little splatters. So pretty. That is fantastic. I love the plain papers that come with this. The colors are just beautiful for Easter, for spring events that you might be having. So this is gorgeous. See how it's not flat. It has lots of different layers and depth to it, and then this lovely little lacy weave that's running throughout it with, you know, just darker spots. Very artistic. And then here's a couple of your larger cards, your larger tags with some of those images. And look at this pink. Oh my gosh. Okay, you take the purple and the pink. Look at that. That's beautiful. And then 6x6s. Again, of the images that we've already seen. Perfect for 6x6. And then look at the green. Not flat. Lovely amount of depth and scroll work. And then there's a blue. I just have to show you all these together because they're plain papers that are not plain. If this is not a bunch of Easter eggs, I don't know what is, right? Look at those gorgeous colors. Like I said, every paper in this pad. Okay, so some more 6x6s. Here's some more of the tags, the little tickets, the cute little sentiments. There's the stamps. Oh, I hope I'm not going too quickly for some people that really like to take a good look at these, but I want to get to the stamps and the dies and the molds as well. And a nice deep ivory with a little bit of tan and some white showing through. So just gorgeous. I love these papers. Oh my goodness. Who could ask for more? Where is that one? I have to put it on the top. Alright, I just had to take a second to lay that one on the top so that you can see how beautiful that is while we're looking at the individual stamps, such as the Lush Lilac. Just gorgeous. So you get the open lilacs, you get the spray, you get the little blossoms all ready to stamp out so that they fit your dies, and then you get the little buds. Everything you need to make a beautiful card with. And of course, the Lush Lilac die set. These two items beautiful together. The Lush Lilac and umbrella spray. So you get a beautiful spray with a little bit of rose and the lilacs. And this one, blossoms that have popped open mixed with the little buds. Exactly the way they work. that cute little guy, and this beautiful umbrella filled with a spray, all in those. And I'm going to show the sizes just because I've had people that have wanted to see the sizes. So there's the sizes for these. And let me go back for 1 second and show the sizes here. So 4.25, that's a decent size stamped there. Okay, and then of course the Lush Lilac and Umbrella Spray has a die set to go with it. So perfect, because fussy cutting this would be quite the task. It's so nice that you can just pop them into the die machine and have them all set up for you. And look at this. Sweet Lilac Scroll and Notes. That's a beautiful stamp set with sentiments. Have a sweet day for my friend, just a note, praying for you. This beautiful spray. I mean, that just makes me want to sit down and stamp it out and color it. And then this scroll with the lilacs all around it. That is going to be great for so many types of cards throughout the year. And there's your sizes, 2.75 by 2.75. This is 3.75 long times 2. And then the Sweet Lilac Scroll and Cage. So this will go with some of the others, but there you go. The bird cage. That's going to be beautiful for card making and altering and all kinds of decorating. And then, yay! The 3D Lush Lilac Shaping Mold. So you'll be able to, because this is very intricate, it's a lot of little blossoms to sit there and play with, and a lot of people might be thrown by that, but if you can die cut them and throw them into this mold and press it and have them all popped out, shaped and ready to go, wow. So here's what it looks like on the inside, and again I'll leave the link if you'd like to see me demonstrating how to use the molds. And I would be on the watch out because I'm going to want to play with this set for upcoming videos on the lilac set, the Lush Lilac set, because this is just too beautiful to leave sitting there even if you're busy. I hope you enjoyed this close-up. Be on a lookout for upcoming videos with this collection, as well as I have some gardening things going on and some new adventures I'm looking into. So I hope you stay with me and let me know. Leave a comment. What do you think of this set? Yeah, interact with me a little. Come on over to HuckleberryHerbs.com if you'd like to purchase any of these. They come at a little bit of a discount rather than going to the main store. And until next time, everybody, this is Kathy from Huckleberry Herbs and Art. God bless.